Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Greatest Tech. Back with another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can create any short video animation or any short story animation, movie, or film for your YouTube channel, shorts, or anything you want using AI absolutely for free. There's no cost for this, and all the tools that I'm going to be showing you are all free. It might take some work, but if you have time for it, you can definitely do it and maybe grow your YouTube channel as needed. Okay, so let's start by first going to Hyalu.com, which is a AI generation website. And I want you to first, when you go open up the website, there's going to be a prompt saying sign up and get 200 credits for free. Each generation is about 25 credits. So we need those 200 free generations so that we can actually get all the scenes in, because one video free on AI Hyalu is about 5 to 6 seconds. If you make more, you have to pay for it. So, and also the for another tool that we're going to be using is the ChatGTP, our famous ChatGTP. So this is where I'm going to tell it to create some prompts. As you can tell, I've already made it a story and made a prompt. I told it to keep the characters consistent with the story I gave it. And I also told it that each generation in Hyalu is about 5 seconds. So make it according to that. Actually, let me get over the last tool that we're going to use. That's going to be 11 Labs. And this is also absolutely free. All you have to do is sign up again with your new account and you'll get about 10,000 credits. So you can choose for all these different voices for free, about for 10,000 credits. Okay, so 11 Labs is a website to go if you are doing AI voice. And after that, once everything is generated, I'll compile it into a video editing software and show the final result. But this might take some time. I'll cut over the parts where Hyalu takes some time to make the scenes because it's a free software. So I'm just gonna copy paste my first scene right here. I'm gonna hit the copy. I'm gonna go to Hyalu. I'm gonna paste it here. At default, this is gonna be enabled. I want you to turn this off if you want the character reference to be the same for every scene, because we're making a short story here about a kid who tries to steal from his dad, and there's a message in the movie, so we're gonna do the characters the same, so we don't want to turn this off. As you can tell, it's only gonna give us an option for a resolution of 768 and also about 6 seconds. For this, there's also generations, but I think this is the best one for ultra clear quality. So we're gonna hit generate and see how long it takes. Okay, the generation is in process. It might take some time, so I'll cut to the time where we can see the first scene again. Alright guys, so the generation is done. It approximately took about 10 minutes. Depending on the traffic on the website, if there's a lot of people in queue, it might take time. So let's check the first scene we created here. And I like it. It's actually pretty nice and really realistic. So, and this is a great one they did. Okay, so we're gonna save this scene. Now we have this scene. We're gonna step back to our ChatGTP. We're gonna do the second scene, and we're gonna tell it to generate the same thing again. I'm gonna just paste it, and we're gonna keep the same characters, and we're gonna hit generate. Okay guys, so as you can see, our second scene is created, and we're gonna see it together. So let's see how they generated it. Wow, that's really good. That's really good. Awesome. Okay, that's our second scene, and we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna put our third scene in. And we're gonna hit generate again. Okay, I'm gonna come back after all the scenes have been generated, so we can all look them together, and I'll start from there. Alright guys, so I have all the scenes gathered. They're not absolutely perfect. It wasn't actually the story I was trying to think of, because I was trying to be more realistic. But I guess I'll try to make it edited and edit it in a way that it actually all makes sense in the end. So after all, we have all the scenes downloaded from Halu. Now we have at least 5 scenes. That's about 25 seconds worth of content. So after that, we just go to text to speech, and we choose a voice that you want to narrate over. Or
without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
So once we have our voice chosen, we told ChatGPT to make this into an narration for every scene. So we're just gonna type, do the same process again, copy paste into our text and speech, hit generate, and let's see, wait for it.
As a child, he once reached for his father's money.
So we're gonna download all these files, and we're gonna make every scene. So I'll get back to it after that. Alright guys, so once you have everything done, I'm gonna be editing through CapCut, which is just a free version, basic, and we're gonna try to make a short film out of this. I'll also tell you how to remove the watermarks from the free videos that have been made. Maybe I can show you in another video. I can actually get into that too. So let's start importing our files. Let's see where they are in downloads. Alright, so we have all these files. Now we're gonna add all our audio in there. These are all the files that we made from the 11 labs. I'm gonna manually select them again. Once we have all the audios in there, we're gonna hear them first and see.
As a child, he once reached for his father's money, but his ill father stopped him and said, "Son, no matter what happens."
So we're gonna align it with the first scene. So let's see where this is the first scene. So we're gonna drag this to the first scene. We're gonna drag this audio here, right here.
As a child, he once reached for his father's money, but his ill father stopped him and said, "Son, no matter what happens in life, never steal." Not long after, his father passed away. The boy grew into a man, carrying his father's words in his heart. The young man remembers an incident of his past where he returned fallen money back to his rightful owner. Years later, he meets the same man again, and the man remembers his good deed and awards him with more money that he could have ever thought of. The man was amazed by his honesty, rewarding him instead. For in life, good deeds are always rewarded, while bad deeds are punished.
Okay guys, so that was the final product. I thought the video turned out to be great, and obviously it had some discrepancies in between and some audio issues and some text issues and the watermark issue. You can all remove that for free as well. So if you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep updated with more tech related tutorials. Greatest Tech signing off.